So what is Znaplink? Znaplink is just basically a one page with where you can add multiple links to your products, social media links, and many more, right? So this is the website, right? To sign up for Znaplink, you can click the link in the description, which will take you to the page. Now, disclaimer: it is an affiliate link, right? I will earn a commission, but that's to support the channel, right? So what is Znaplink is it increases your click through rate by 150%. Why? It's because of how neat it is, right? Now you can send unlimited emails to your community with these simple email widgets that you can add, right? And this thing and Snaplink automatically updates your YouTube and TikTok video widgets, right? So first what we're gonna do is gonna log in. Now you're gonna have to create an account. Now here's my dashboard, right? For you it's going to be different when you create an account, right? So you press edit, right? Now here's what our Snaplink is gonna look like, right? Now this is not the best. Let me this okay. Here's what our Snaplink gonna look like, right? Now this is not the best, right? But let me show you how to edit to make it look nice, right? So first we're gonna start with our weekly newsletter. So you can just edit and say, join our weekly newsletter, and you edit description saying that okay, we'll send you emails of 1, 2, 3, right? And then you press update, and then bam, it updates, right? And then and then this is how you add the weekly newsletter first of all, right? Here now you can add a single link or you can add a link folder, right? Now a single link a single link is like this is a single link, right? And then a link folder. Let me show you a link folder using my other link page. Now this is a link folder. Like, this is very useful if you selling goods and services and products, right? Now it shows, now I am an Amazon affiliate, right? And I promote my Amazon products, and this is what I like Snaplink about, is that it makes your images look neat. It makes everything that you promote look neat, right? And if you go down, keeps going down, and keeps going down, so you can add one link folder, right, with one category of saying this is what we have in this link folder, and then you keep going down, and then it just goes like that, right? Now let's add one single link to show you as an example of what you can do, right? So for this video sake, I'm just gonna choose things that I've made in the past. First you add an image. Now there's going to be here the image that Snaplink has already given you, but you can change it, right? So you come here, you upload, and you're like, okay, what should I upload? I should upload this, right? And then you decrease the size. Now about the size, you should always crop the picture in such a way that it comes out nicely, because the problem is that these dimensions are supposed to fit this, and if it doesn't fit, so crop everything, and your picture is supposed to fit there, right? You edit your description. Now here you say, for instance, I'm going to say buy now since I'm Amazon affiliate, right? Uploaded the image, everything's okay. You say add link, right? Okay, here you're done adding your link, right? And you do the same thing for the link folder, right? And then how to add to your link folder is, you just press add link, and then you're done. And then email collection, I'm sure you saw that. And then text block, right? What is text block? Now text block is this one here. This is your text block. Now this is not anything it's not any button or anything. It's just a text, just to give your people, your customers, your visitors, information about a certain product or service or whatever it may be that you want to give information about, right? And then the YouTube and TikTok widget, I'll show you a good example of the TikTok widget. YouTube widget, I haven't seen one yet, but I know I can show you a TikTok widget whereby every new video you post on your TikTok page, right, it also adds it here, right? So first, okay, we're done here. First we're gonna go to settings, right? Here's your settings. Now you can edit everything. Edit the title, right? You just say dog. Description, you can choose whether you want to have a description or not. This is your description. Your theme, you choose a color, right? Preferably I'll choose white, right? And then you come here, whether you want banner or you want default, right? Now I preferably choose banner. Here analytics, to show these analytics are useful to show where the people coming from, how long do they stay on your page, and what links do they click, right? So you get your Facebook ID, you get your Facebook pixel and your Google ID, right? And then once you've done SEO, now this way you come, you add everything that you need. Now this is for experts. I'm not sure how to use this, but this is for Google if you want your link to from Google. And then socials, this way you come, you add your social media links. Now for example, I already added my my own social, right? And then here, this way you connect your MailChimp, right? Your MailChimp API. So this way those emails are going to go, right? No, those emails are going to go here to the community. I'll show you just a second. Now you can also create a custom domain, right? Instead, maybe if you run Znaplink.com or TechCookhead, right? Maybe if you want your own domain but with a Znaplink template, then you can also add your custom domain. So once you're done, you press update. It updates everything for you, everything that you've changed. Yeah, everything that you've changed updates, and yeah, it looks nice and white. I like it this way, right? In the community, this is where those emails that which people have joined to say, okay, new newsletter, you can also add your own email, right? Or this way to write your own emails, right? This way to write your own emails, ad block, heading, whatever it may be, button, link, and everything, audience, right? This is where those people who have input the emails, this is where the emails will show. Statistics, this is to show who came to your page, where did they come from, and what device were they using, and many more statistics, right? Now as you can see, 27 minutes ago from South Africa, from France, from South Africa again, Montenegro. Okay, sure. Now that's the those are the countries, right? Now you can choose here by specific country, right? Referrals, who are the top referrals? Is it Instagram, TikTok? And as you can see, for me it's TikTok because I'm running influencers, right? And then devices, whatever they're using, you understand? So yeah, those are the statistics, but to get a more better insight, it's better to add your Facebook pixel and your Google Analytics, right? So once you're done, what I like most about it is just, yeah, it's just neater and increases the conversion rate, right? And the paid plan already starts at 10. The paid plan is cheap, right? It starts at $10 a month, right? But I don't need the paid plan, which is why I'm not using it, right? The paid plan starts at $10 a month, right? And for to get the fullness of everything, then yeah, you can just get the paid plan, which comes with the Twitter widget, TikTok widget, YouTube, custom themes, verified badge, remove your branding, custom domains, and send unlimited emails, right? So there's a whole lot that comes with the paid plan, right? And last but not least, I have a few examples which I want to show you, right? To finally, again, to sign up for Znaplink, you can click the link in the description, right? So yeah. Okay, here are examples. This is the first example. So it's gonna look like this. Here your link folder, link folder again. Now here's the TikTok widget I was talking about, where you just play the TikTok video on the
marketing websites that you wish you knew earlier. Day 5. Jitter.
So yeah, that's our first example. Our second example. Here's the third example. So yeah, you can actually make these Znaplinks look very nice if you actually put in the time and the effort, and just yeah, putting in the time and the effort to make them look nice. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. Yeah.